Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and I want to show you how to use Act Sales Quote feature. There's a couple ways you can do that. What I'd like to draw your attention to is down below here, I have an opportunity that I've created for myself. I wanted it to be there because that's one of the ways you can create a quote. But let's say you do not have a sales opportunity set up and you want to just create a quote. The way you can do that is this. If you go up and click on Write, then you go down to where it says Other Document from Template and click on that. You'll have all kinds of items in here. I'm going to click on any item here because I'm trying to get to the quote template. I'm going to press the letter Q on my keyboard and I'm going to hit it a second time and there's my quote template. I'm going to open it. So now what it's going to do, it's going to mail merge with my Act contact, which is myself on the screen. It's going to bring up a quote. The quote is hidden behind Act, so I brought it up on the screen and I'm going to maximize it. And here is a blank quote based on just a simple quote with nothing in it. That's a quote. Now I can modify this by double clicking on this and going in and trying to modify this. Sometimes I find if it's just a blank quote, it doesn't really work. I'm double clicking on it. It doesn't let me edit it for some reason. Again, I don't use quotes that much, so I'm not sure why that's not doing that. Having said that, I'm going to close this. I'm not going to save it. I'm not going to save it at all. And next, I'm going to create a quote from this opportunity. So I'm going to double click on the quote. I'm going to open it up. And then now that I've done that, up on the toolbar it says Create Quote. I'm going to click on that. And now that I've got the new quote open based on using a sales opportunity, what I can do at this point, and I tried this a little bit ago, I'm going to double click on this quote, and now this one I can edit. So I'm assuming because there was nothing in the previous quote, it wouldn't allow me to edit it, which doesn't make sense to me at all. Or this one, because I had something in it, allows me to edit it. So now I can go into this area, and let's say I want to do 100, and let's say I want to do widgets. I'm just going to type in widgets. I'm going to go over here, purple. And again, everything now I have to do by hand. Nothing pre-calculates, nothing tells me what it is. So when you do a quote from a sales opportunity, that will add all this information. At the end of the day, it's my feeling that if I were going to use a quoting system like this, I think there are better ways to do it, and I probably would not use this system. But it is something that ACT has, and I just want to make you aware of it. There's a lot of directions to go with this. I'd urge you to reach out to me and ask me if you have any questions. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for your time. Have a great day.